Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the app or browser is current. Outdated builds often lock layout options. Once logged in, tap the profile or menu icon at the top right to reveal settings and privacy. Select Settings, then look for Display or Accessibility sections because menu placement options live there. You do this now so the interface elements you need are visible. If you're on desktop, open the Account drop-down in the top right instead and proceed to the same Display Settings panel. Once in Display Settings, locate Menu Layout or Navigation Controls. This is where placement is chosen. You will see toggles for top versus bottom positioning and presets like compact or floating. Try each to preview how your feed and icons shift. If Facebook offers drag handles or a reorder list, use them to prioritize items so the most used features sit where your thumb naturally reaches. Make incremental changes and observe responsiveness, because layout options sometimes affect notification badges and gestures. After selecting your preferred layout, save changes and then close and reopen the app or refresh the browser to apply them consistently. You should test across common screens, main feed, messenger, and profile, to confirm icons and gestures behave as expected. If something doesn't stick, clear the app cache or browser data and ensure you're on the latest version. Additionally, toggle any experimental UI or beta features off, because they can override layout settings and cause placement to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.